Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you on how to create subtask for Subtask in ClickUp. So let's begin. First is to log into your profile, and once you are on your ClickUp app, you would see that this is going to be the landing page. For you to start adding subtasks for a subtask, click on this button right here where it says mine or your initials on it, and then click on settings. Under the settings, look for ClickUp, so click on this button, and here you will look for the nested subtask here. This part is going to ask you how many subtask level you wanted. So for example, I wanted 4. And then once you go back, you would see here on your space how to create the subtask. So I have here E, F, G, H, and I. So these are the examples. So I'm gonna add subtask for letter E. There's a plus button right here, like a shortcut to add subtask. So let's subtask E with E1. And then you can add another one. And this is gonna be the E2. And another one, which is the E3. There. Let's add more. So this will be the last one, E4. So there is multiple subtasks in each task. Here you see that it only allows up to 4, which is the one that we selected earlier, because if you go here, there is no more plus button where you can add another. And you can even drag the other task if you wanted to interchange or put in another task in each subtask. So there. So that's just it for this video. If you found this helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.